Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on blocking software updates via USB port or cable in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for this option, how to turn it on. So first we need to go to our phone settings, then we need to go to security and privacy option, then we need to scroll all the way down to auto blocker. And here, as you can see, we have some options. First of all, these options will be grayed out if we do not have our auto blocker enabled, as you can see here. So to make changes here, we need to first enable auto blocker. Now, first of all, this option is on by default, but if it's not, here we have our blocking software updates by USB cable function, so we can turn it on. And now we are protected through USB at least. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.